What was the Fram Expedition? Have you ever wondered how explorers tackled the harsh conditions of the Arctic? One remarkable journey that stands out is Fridtjof Nansen's Fram Expedition. This expedition took place from 1893 to 1896 and aimed to reach the North Pole by drifting with the ice. Unlike previous explorers who tried to push through the ice, Nansen had a different plan. He wanted his ship, the Fram, to become trapped in the ice and drift naturally with it. The Fram was not just any ship. Designed by Colin Archer, it had a rounded hull and no traditional keel. This unique design allowed the ship to rise above the ice instead of being crushed. The Fram was also heavily insulated, making it suitable for long-term living in extreme cold. The journey began on June 24, 1893, in Oslo, Norway, with a crew of 13. After sailing north along the Siberian coast, the Fram entered the ice pack on September 22, 1893. The ship became locked in the ice, starting its westward drift across the Arctic Ocean. Over the next 3 years, the Fram traveled for but did not reach the North Pole. The closest point achieved was 85 degrees 57 minutes north in October 1895. During the drift, Nansen and crew member Hjalmar Johansen left the ship in a daring attempt to reach the pole using dog sleds. Although they did not succeed, their journey provided valuable information about the Arctic environment. Meanwhile, the Fram continued its journey and eventually emerged from the ice near Spitsbergen in 1896. Remarkably, the entire crew returned safely, which was rare for polar expeditions at that time. From a historical perspective, the Fram expedition was significant. It confirmed that the Arctic Ocean was a deep basin covered by shifting pack ice, not land. This changed the understanding of the North Pole's geography. The expedition also gathered extensive scientific data on ocean currents, ice movement, and weather patterns, laying the groundwork for modern polar science. Nansen's methods, which included using a small, well-prepared team and adapting to local conditions, set a new standard for Arctic exploration. The Fram itself became famous for sailing farther north than any other wooden ship and later sailed to the Antarctic as well. Today, the Fram is preserved at the Fram Museum in Oslo, symbolizing polar exploration and innovation. In practical terms, the Fram expedition showed that survival in the polar regions relies on careful preparation and respect for the environment. Nansen's success influenced future explorers, highlighting the importance of collaboration with indigenous knowledge and scientific inquiry. The legacy of this expedition continues to shape how we study and engage with the polar regions today.